how to convert photo to PDF in iPhone, or how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. It is easy. Just take a couple steps, follow the step. Tap on Note app and open new note, and tap camera icon, tap on scan document and take picture each page. How many pages you want? They do one by one. 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, how many pages? Just continue, just scan over there, tap on the camera icon and do one by one. After finish taking the picture, and tap on save, and tap on save icon and write the file name. Just tap over there and writing the file name, what you need, just write there, and after that tap on done. Tap the done, and then go back to note again in your phone, go back to notepad and open the save file, open it and tap on top right side share icon, arrow, look like arrow, share icon, and tap it, and you can email, share, Google Drive, upload, whatever you like. Just tap on I will email, tap on Gmail and writing the where you like to Gmail, tap it, and then writing the subject area, just I writing my PDF file, and you see the down they show the PDF file, automatic PDF file scan, and after that writing your information. Top right side you see the arrow, triangle arrow, tap it and email will gone. That's email will send, and let's open the email. You see the my PDF file, the email already come, and open it, and this is PDF file. And thank you for watching this video, how to make a PDF file with iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.